for Zimbabweans. For me, my friends, my family, everybody is totally overwhelmed. This is the day we get our freedom back. And we are all very excited. This day is our sunrise. It's a brand new day in our lives, in our economy, in our future, for our families. Our children finally have hope. So we are very excited. We've been here since morning. We walked to the State House, walked to the showgrounds, walked back to the State House. We will walk to show solidarity with the soldiers, with the army, with the people who have had courage to stand for us. We do not care who stole what yesterday, who did what yesterday, what 15 billion disappeared yesterday. We are concerned about today. Who is standing for us today and who will be with us tomorrow? Shekumashuro katina basa nazvo, but tinoda masoja, tinoda chiwenga, tinoda mnangagwa, tinoda mchangwa, tinoda maimjuru, tinoda everybody, as long as they want a new Zimbabwe.